So I bought these two things for 50 cents each. Both of these were like $1. So I don't know if you can see the code. Basically it's a switch, it's a lamp socket, Edison 27, and power plug even for 50 cents. All in one, and you can switch on and off the lamp you allegedly put inside. And yeah, I want to see what's inside, because I don't know how it can be that cheap. It's I have no words. For 50 cents, let's see what's inside. Only one screw is holding it together, and the magic moment. Yeah, it's coming. Oh boy. What? This is an actual switch. I thought it was gonna be just some dumb mechanism they put in. With two wires touching or something. When you press it, two wires will touch and not touch. Touch, not touch. But it's a proper switch. It's really simplified, but yeah, that's a PCB in there, a circuit board, and two pieces of metal on it. And these, they clip in. You can use this switch in another hole, you put it in, and it holds itself. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, and something fell out. How? Oh, yeah. This is for the bottom of the light bulb, and it touches the... Yeah, this may be a bit problematic, but wow, the design. This plastic piece actually holds this... wow. Holds the pin of the switch. As the light bulb pushes down on it. Wow, this is brilliant engineering. Well, yeah, this yeah, where the screw goes, this already broke, but that's not a big problem. That's not a huge problem, because this is just brilliant design. And soldered, yeah, it's absolutely appropriate for a light bulb. This is great work. Absolutely great. This surprised me. Okay, this is actually pretty interesting. If they made it out of I mean with fitting parts, because look, it has many flaws, this plastic, but yeah, I'm amazed. This gets a 9 out of 10. Now let's see this switch. This is just a simple on-off switch. You mount it on a cord. Yeah, this already has a fault here that doesn't let the rubber go in its place. But yeah, that's not a big problem. And it's not a perfect fit. Not perfect is a kind way of saying it. But yeah, let's see if it works inside. I already know that it clicks. Okay, that's a good sign. But let's see what's inside. Does it have a switch or just some metal plates and a spring, and that's it? I'm betting on metal plates and a spring. So let's see. Oh, you can't even see it. It's from the other side. So there's a screw under it. That's interesting. Oops. Rubber thing fell down. We'll have to check out the other side, because as you can see, there's a screw inside. The screw is tightening the cable onto another screw. That's interesting. That's very interesting. And this one? This is also... Huh? That is also very... Man... I had all sorts of... I prejudged them. I thought this was gonna suck. But let's see. Am I just supposed to... Oh... Take it out? How do I take it out? Well, it's worth ruining one. Because I really want to see what's inside. So let me get a blade or something. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. On my desk. So let's see. Just reach under it here and try to not break anything. Oh, it's not coming. Maybe from the side. Nope. So then maybe I have to unscrew this. I have to unscrew, oops, this one. With what? No, it's not a Phillips head. It's a tiny head. For which I have a screwdriver. Hopefully, like this one. It can reach in. And unscrew it. And it falls out! Oh, yay! Wow. Wow. This just blew my mind. Honestly. So, the electricity goes in here. Through the screw. Oh no, it can flow right from this part to this metal part. Okay, I didn't say anything. This is actually very good. It has nothing to do with the screw. It has many touching points, like 2 here and at least 2 more on the spring. So that's interesting. So when you press it, the spring just bounces it on the other side, holds it there, and when it's on the other side, this screw is touching that screw. And it's kind of a genius idea. I like this. I really like this. For 50 cents, this is a lot of engineering. I say a lot. This is a lot. So I just have to put that back. Or did I remove something else? Man, I can't even remember. Oh yeah, just this. This is so amazing. This is so amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. Now let's screw this back in. Wow. And it's a completely functional switch. I mean, the contact is made between a copper screw and another copper screw, but that's still copper touching copper. That's appropriate. So, yeah, it works. and the screw holes are not even. Oh yeah, this is broken slightly. And the other one. The other one is okay, but this is slightly broken. Cracked, I mean. It's cracked, but it's a functional switch, man. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. Yeah, 50 cents. And they even make a profit on it by selling it for 50 cents. With all those screws, it has at least 8 screws inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other side, 7, 8. And the spring. And pieces of metal. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I mean, the parts don't really fit, but who cares? It's safe. You're not touching the active wires, and you can switch stuff. This is awesome. This is also 9 out of 10, like the other piece of junk I bought. I mean, these are amazing. Just amazing.